Now in the next step we are going to just swap these two numbers, like 4p plus 5p minus 10 equals to 0. Now if we take common just p, so the rest part will be p square minus 4, and if we take common from these two expression 5, so the rest part will be p minus 2 equals to 0. So here we know the formula, like a square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiply a minus b. So same here, if we put p square minus 2 square and p like this, so now split that formula, p plus 2 into p minus 2, and the rest part will be 5 into p minus 2 equals to 0. Now we are seeing that p minus 2 is common from both expressions, so we are going to take common p minus 2, and the rest part will be p into p plus 2 plus 5 equals to 0. So we are going to more simplify that equation, like p square plus 2p plus 5 equals to 0. Now we are seeing that two product of two expression is 0. So one expression should be equals to 0 or the other expression should be equals to 0. So for case 1, if we take p minus 2 equals to 0, that is p equals to 2, and before we have already let that p is equal to 2 to the power x is equal to 2. Now we can write 2 as 2 to the power 1, as a is equal to a to the power 1. Okay, so from this we are seeing that the base of two sides is same, and the base is 2, so we can write x equals to 1. So we got one solution from here, that is x is equal to 1. Now we are going to find another solution for the case 2. That is p square plus 2p plus 5 equals to 0. Now the above equation is like a quadratic equation, like ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So one root of the above expression should be p is equal to minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac by 2a. Here we can see a equals to 1, b equals to 2, and c equals to 5. So if we put here minus b plus minus b, put here minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 5 by 2 into 1. So the equation becomes p equals to 2 plus minus root over 4 minus 20 by 2. So now p equals to plus minus root over minus 16 by 2. We can write that 16 minus 16 as a multiply of 16 into minus 1 by 2. Now the equation becomes p equals to minus 2 plus minus root over 16 into root over minus 1 by 2. So now 2 plus minus 4i, as in complex number we can express root over minus 1 is equal to I. Now we divide both sides by 2 from the expression, and the expression will becomes like this, that will cancel out minus 1 plus minus 2i. If we consider positive sign, then p equals to minus 1 plus 2i. That is, we have already taken p as a 2 to the power x minus 1 plus 2i. If we consider log both sides, 2 to the power x is equal to minus 1 plus 2i log, that is x log 2 log minus 1 2i, as log a to the power m is equal to m into log a. Now if we divide by log 2 by both sides, then log 1 minus I like this. So that will cancel out and x will becomes log minus 1 by 2i by log 2, and it will becomes log minus 1 plus 2i base 2, as log a base c by log b base c will be equals to log a b. So the second value of x, log 2i minus 1 2. If we take minus sign, then p is equal to minus 1 minus 2i, that is 2 to the power x is equal to minus 1 minus 2i. If we take log both sides, 2 to the power x minus 1 log of minus 1 minus 2i, then x log 2 is equal to log of minus 1 minus 2i. If we divide by log 2 from both sides, that is log minus 1 minus 2i by log 2. If we cancel it, that's log 2, it becomes x is equal to log minus 1 minus 2i by log 2, again log minus 1 by minus 2i base 2. This is the second answer. So we have find three solutions for the equation. So x have two complex solution and another one real number of solution. I hope you understand, and thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Thank you.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another exponential equation. Here, if the x square plus 1 by x square is equal to root 2, then we have to find the value of x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024. So let's start the solution. So for this, we first write the above equation again and trying to square of both sides. Hence we get x square plus 1 by x square to the power whole square is equal to root over 2 square. Now we know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now if we expand this like x square to the power square plus 2x square into 1 by x square plus 1 by x square to the power square equals to 2. Now this x square and x square cancel out and the equation will be x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 plus 2 equals to 2. Now if we move that 2 to the right hand side, the equation will becomes like this: 2 minus 2 equals to 0. That is x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 equals to 0. Now if we move that 1 by x to the power 4 to the right hand side, then the equation becomes like this. Now we are going to multiply both sides by x to the power 4, like x to the power 4 into x to the power 4 equals to minus 1 by x to the power 4 into 1 by x to the power 4. Then it will be cancelled out like this and the value will be minus 1. Hence that power will be added like this and we get the value of x to the power 8 is equal to minus 1. Now we have to find out the value of x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024. Previously, if we expand that 1024, we get this can be expressed as 8 into 1 to 8. So now we can write this like x to the power 8 dot 128 minus 1 by x to the power 8 dot 128. Now we can write the expression as x to the power 8 to the power 128 minus 1 by x to the power 8 to the power 128. As we know the formula, like a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now we have the value of x to the power 8 as minus 1. If we put that minus 1 to the power 128 here and here, then we get the value equal to 1. As this is an even number, so that minus will be gone and it will be just like 1 minus 1 to the power, this will be 1. So that 1 and that will be 1, so all value will be 0. So the expression of x square x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024 is equal to 0. So we got the solution or value of x to the power 1024 minus 1 by x to the power 1024 equal to 0. So if we try to find out another solution of it, we can do it in another process. So that will be do in the next video. So I hope you understood this method or solution. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day and take care. Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another interesting equation. Like if we have a value of a plus 2ab plus b equals to 8, then we need to find out the value of a plus b. So let's get started. Okay, we have the equation a plus 2ab plus b equals to 8. Now we are going to multiply both sides by 2, like a plus 2ab plus b equals to 8 dot 2. Now we get 2a plus 4ab plus 2b equals to 16. Now we add by 1 both sides, like this, 16 plus 1. So here we can get by the value taking common 2a equals to 2a into 1 plus 2b, and if we take common 1, that will be 2b plus 1, and the equation will be equals to 17. Now we can write this 2a 2b plus 1 plus 1 2b plus 1 equals to 17. Now here both sides we get 2b plus 1, and 2b plus 1. So we are going to take common 2b plus 1. So the rest part will be 2a plus 1 is equal to 17. Now here we are getting the two expression products is equals to 17. 17 can be expressed like 17 into 1 or minus 70 into minus 1. So for positive case if 2a plus 1 or 2a for positive case 1, 2a 1 is equal to 17 into 1, then we consider 2b plus 1 is equal to 17 like this. This will be same like this. Okay, so we are getting 2b equals to 17 minus 1, 2b equals to 16, or b equals to 16 by 2, like that will be cancelled, like 8. So we are getting the value of b equals to 8. Again, now 2a plus 1 will be 1 if we compare both sides. Now if we move that 1 to right hand side, like 1 minus 1, that is 2a equals to 0. Now if we divided both sides by 2 like this, so we are getting the value of a is equal to 0. For positive cases, for the second case, case 2, if 2b plus 1 is equal to 1, then 2b equals to 1 minus 1, that is 0. If we divide it by 2 both sides, then b will be 0. Again, that 2a plus 1 equals to 17 and 2a plus equals to 17 minus 1 and 2a is equal to 16, and if we divide by 2 both sides, we get a is equal to 8. So if we, for positive cases, all the positive case, the value of a plus b will be either 8 plus 0 equal to 8 or a plus b equals to 0 plus 8 equals to 8. So for both these cases it will be 8. Now for if we consider the minus cases, like 2b plus 1 and 2a plus 1 equals to minus 17 into minus 1. For case 1, for negative cases, negative scenario, for case 1, if we take 2b plus 1 equals to minus 17, then if we move that 1 to this side, that means right hand side, that will be minus 1. Now 2b equals to minus 18 and b equals to minus 18 by 2 and b equals to minus 9. and similarly 2a plus 1 will be minus 1. Then 2a, if we move to 1 to right hand side, it will be 1 minus 1 minus 1, that will be 2a equals to minus 2. And if we divide by 2 both sides, then 2 cancel out, a equals to minus 1. Again for second case, case 2, 2b plus 1 equals to minus 1. Then 2b equals to minus 1 minus 1. Then 2b equals to minus 2. If we divide it by 2 both sides, then we will get by 2 and it will cancel out, and we get the value of b is equal to minus 1. Similarly 2a plus 1 is equal to minus 17. 2a equals to minus 17 minus 1. 2a equals to minus 18. If we divide by 2 both sides, we will get like this. Then 2 cancel out, a equals to minus 9. So here if we find the value of a plus b in the first case, minus 9 minus 1 equals to minus 10. A plus b equals to minus 1 minus 9 equals to minus 10. So generally we can say that the value of a plus b should be either minus 10 or 8. That's it. So we have the values of a plus b is equal to positive integer 8 or minus 10. So I hope you understand the explanation. Thank you for your time. So see you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another interesting exponential equation, that is 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to 65. Now we have to find out the value of x. So let's start. Let's start the solution. We have 3 to the power x minus 2 to the power x is equal to 65. Now we can write the expression as 3 to the power x to the power 2 by 2 minus 2 to the power x to the power 2 by 2 is equal to 65. Now we can write the expression as 3 to the power x by 2 to the power 2 minus 2 to the power x by 2 square is equal to 65. As we know that a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now let 3 to the power x by 2 equals to m and 2 to the power x by 2 equals to n. Then the equation becomes m to the power square minus n to the power square is equal to 65. Now we know a square minus
b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Now we are going to apply the same here, so it becomes m plus n into m minus n is equal to 65. So the 65 we can split like 13 into 5 or minus 13 into minus 5. So it may becomes like this: m plus n into m minus n is equal to 13.5, equation 1, or m plus n into m minus n equals to minus 13 into minus 5, that can be expressed as equation 2. So for case 1, where m plus n into m minus n is equal to 13 into 5, so we comparing this m plus n equals to 13 and m minus n equals to 14. So it becomes m plus n equals to 13 and m minus n becomes to 5. So if we add these two, we get twice m equals to 18, hence m equals to 18 by 2, it will cancel out like 9. Now we put the value m as m equals to 3 to the power x by 2. So m equals to 3 to the power x by 2 equals to 9. Therefore 3 to the power x by 2 equals to, we can write 9 as a 3 to the power 2 or 3 square. Now both the sides base are same like 3, so we can write x by 2 equals to 2. Therefore x is equal to 4. Now for case 2, if we consider that m minus n equals to 5, then and m minus another, if we consider the another solution, m minus n is equal to minus 13 and m plus n equals to minus 5. If we do that, then we are going to just adding them. So after adding them, we are getting twice m is equal to minus 18 and m equals to minus 18 by 2, cancel out, equal to minus m. Therefore we are going to put the same like m equals to 3 to the power x by 2 here equals to minus 9. Now we are taking log both sides, that is log 3 to the power x by 2 minus equals to log of minus 9. Therefore the equation becomes x by 2 log 3 equals to log of minus 1.9. So equation becomes like this: x by 2 log 3 equals to log of minus 1 plus log of 9. If we multiply both sides by 2, then it becomes 2 into x by 2 log 3 equals to 2 log of minus 1 plus log 2 log 3 square. Then it becomes like x log 3 equals to 2 into I pi plus 4 log 3. Actually, we know the value of in complex number log of minus 1 equals to I into pi. So we are putting here this value. Now we get the value of x like x is equal to 2 pi I by log 3 plus 4 log 3 by log 3, and again that would cancel out and it will be the result. So hence we get two solution of x. One is x is equal to 4 and another is 2 pi I by log 3 plus 4. So I think you have understood the explanation. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Thanks. Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve an exponential equation where we get x to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 6. So here we have to find out the value of x. So let's get started. So we have the value here x is equal to 2 to the power 6. Now we just moved 2 to the power 6 to the left side. Now we can express the equation like x cube square minus 2 cube square is equal to 0. As we know, a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now we know the formula like a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can apply the same here. X cube plus 2 cube into x cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. Now we are getting these two expression as a product of 0. So we know if product of two expression is 0, so either one should be 0 or or this should be 0. For case 1 we take x cube plus 2 cube is equal to 0. Now we can write the expression like x to the power cube plus 2 to the power cube is equal to 0. Now we know the formula here. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we apply the same here. That equation should be like this: x plus 2 into x square minus x into 2 plus 2 square equals to 0. So x plus 2 into x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So again we are getting that two product of two expression like x plus 2 or x square minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So either x plus 2 will be 0 or x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So we are taking first that x plus 2 equals to 0. Now we are getting x is equal to minus 2. So we found the first solution of x. Here x is equal to minus 2. Now we are taking x square minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So this is a type of quadratic equation. So we can write one quadratic equation, ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. So the one root of x may be expressed as minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by twice a, where a can be expressed as 1, b is equal to minus 2 and c equals to 4. Now putting the value here, we are getting minus of minus 2 plus minus root over of minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 4 by 2 into 1. So this minus and minus will be plus 2 plus minus root over of 4 minus 16 by 2. So we can express this like 2 plus minus root over minus 12 by 2 equals to 2 plus minus, we can expand this, minus 1 into 3 into 4 by 2. Now we can express this 2 plus minus root over of minus 1 3 and 2 square by 2. So this tool we can write here 2 root over of 3 and minus 1 will be I, that by 2. In complex number we know that I equals to root over of minus 1. So the expression will becomes like 2 plus minus 2 root 3i by 2 or 1 plus minus root 3i. So we get another complex number root like x equals to root 3i plus minus, here x equals to 1 plus minus root 3i. Now we have for case 1, for case 2, x cube minus y cube is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 2 into x square minus x into 2 plus 2 square equals to 0. As we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Therefore multiplication of two expression is 0. Either x minus 2 will be 0, then x equals to 2. So we get another solution, x is equal to 2, and another x minus 2x plus 4 equals to 0. So therefore x will be minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. If we put the value here, we get the value a equals to 1, b equals to minus 2, and sorry, this will be plus 2 here, plus 2, and c equals to 4 here. Therefore if we put the value of 2b, that is 2 plus minus 2 square minus 4 into 1 into 4 by 2 into 1, the expression will be minus 2 plus minus 4 minus 16 by 2. Then again we can get the in root over minus 12 by 2, that is minus 2 plus minus root over minus 1 into 3 into 4 by 2, that is minus 2 plus minus root over of minus 1 into root over of 3 into root over of 2 square by 2. Hence we get minus 2 plus minus I root 3 into 2 by 2. Then we split like this, root 3i 2, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out, this 2 and this 2 will be cancelled out, we get minus 1 plus minus root 3i. Hence we get another complex solution, x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3i. So we got 4 solutions, x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 2, x is equal to 1 plus minus root 3i, and another x is equal to minus 1 plus minus root 3i. The 4 solution we got from the expression x to the power 6 is equal to 2 to the power 6. So we have explained how to solve this. I think you have understood the explanation. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care.
Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve another exponential equation, that is x to the power 7 x to the power 5 plus x cube by x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 81 by 27. So let's start this. So we have started to find out the solution or value of x. We have the expression like x to the power 7 plus x to the power 5 plus x cube by x to the power 6 plus x to the power 5 plus x to the power 4 is equal to 81 by 27. Now we are taking common x to the power 4 x to the power cube from above, so the remaining part will be x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1, and the lower part will be, if we take common x to the power 4, lower part will be x square plus x plus 1, and it will be same like 81 by
27. Now here cancel out by x cube, it will be 1 and it will be x. Then the rest part will be like x to the power 4 plus x square plus 1 by x into x square plus x plus 1, and it will be cancel out like if 3, so we can write here 3 by 1. Now we can express x to the power 4 as x square to the power square, and this x square can be expressed as 2x square minus x square. Okay, as 2x square minus x square is equal to x square plus 1 by x into x square plus x plus 1. So this part will remain same like this. Okay, so now we just expressing the equation in a simplified way, x square into 1 plus 1 square minus x square, and the denominator should be same like x square plus x plus 1 by 3 by 1. Now we know the formula, a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square. So we can write the expression here, x square plus 1 whole square minus x square, and the denominator will be same, and it will be 3 by 1. Now we know the formula, a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we can express this, x square plus 1 plus x, here x square plus 1 minus x by x into x square plus x plus 1, that is 3 by 1. Now it can be expressed like this, x square plus x plus 1 and x square minus x plus 1 by x into x square plus x plus 1 equals to 3 by 1. Now here we got one same expression, that is x square plus x plus 1, and here also x square plus x plus 1, so that will cancel out, and the remaining part will be like x square minus x plus 1 by x by 3 by 1. So if we multiply that into x and 1 into that, so the expression will be like this, 1 into 1 plus 1 3x. So if we multiply x plus 1 and move this 3x to the left hand side, the equation becomes like this. Now that will be x square minus 4x plus 1 equals to 0. So this equation is a quadratic equation and standard quadratic equation, like ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So here if we compare like this, so we get a equals to 1, b equals to minus 4 and c equals to 1. Now for a quadratic equation, we get the root of any solution like minus b plus minus root over of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now we are going to put the value of b. B is equal to minus 4 plus minus root over minus b square minus 4 into 1 into 1 by twice a. Therefore x is equal to plus 4 plus minus root over 16 minus 4 by, sorry, here we need to put the value of a, that is 1, so we get by 2. Therefore x is equal to 4 plus minus root 12 by 2. Therefore x is equal to 4 by 2 plus minus root 2 means 4 into 3 by 2. So therefore this will cancel out. Therefore x will be 2 plus minus 2 root 3 by 2, and these 2 will be cancelled out. So the answer will be x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. So we got the solution or value of x, like x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. So we have the solution that x is equal to 2 plus minus root 3. I hope you understand the problem and also the explanation. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve and or simplify a exponential equation like 2 to the power 33 equals to 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 by 2 to the power 33 minus 1. So let's start to find out the solution. Okay, so we can write 2 to the power 33, that means 2 to the power 22 plus 11, and 2 to the power 22 is equal to 2 to the power 11 plus 11, and 2 to the power 11 as 11, and here 2 to the power 11 into 3 minus 1. As we know, a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. So we will apply this here. Okay, so here we can write that 2 to the power 22, 2 to the power 11 plus 2 to the power 11 dot 11 plus 2 to the power 11 by 2 to the power 11 to the power 3 minus 1. As we have applied a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now we take common 2 to the power 11, and the rest part will be 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1 by, now we know the formula, a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. So we are going to apply the same here, that is 2 to the power 11 to the power cube minus 1. So if we apply this, so we get 2 to the power 11, 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1 by, sorry, we forgot to write here 2 to the power 11 to the power cube minus 1. Sorry for that. Okay, so now we are applying this formula here. We can write 2 to the power 11 minus 1 into 2 to the power 11 square plus 2 to the power 11 into 1 plus 1 square. So we can write the expression 2 to the power 11, 2 to the power 12 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1 by 2 to the power 11 minus 1, and that will be 2 to the power 11 into 2 plus 2 to the power 11 into 1 plus 1. Now we are going to more simplify this. 2 to the power 11, 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1. So the above part will be remain same for few steps. So now we can write 2 to the power 11 minus 1, and that will be 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1. So we are getting the same part here, that 2 to the power 22 plus 2 to the power 11 plus 1, and here the same. So this part will be cancelled out. So we get the value is 2 to the power 11 by 2 to the power 11 minus 1. So now we can write 2 to the power 11 as 2 to the power 10 plus 1. So we can write 2 to the power 10 dot 2 to the power 1. Now we know the value of 2 to the power 10 is equal to 1024.2. So if we multiply this, we will get this one. Hence the value will be 2024 by 2024 minus 1, that is 20248 by 2047. Hence the expression of this one, the value will be this one 1048 plus. We can express this, that 2047 plus 1 by 2047. If we write that 2047 by 2047 plus 1 by 2047, now we can write that 1 plus 1 by 2047. So we can express like this one also. So we have the values of the expression is 1 plus 1 by 2047. I hope you understand the explanation and the solution. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Hello everyone. Hope you are doing well. Today we are going to solve a Harvard University entrance exam questions, like x square minus y square is equal to 36, and also x and y should be real natural number. Then what should be the value of x and y? So let's start the solution. So for this we can break that 36 into several parts, like 36 into 1, or maybe 1 into 36, or we can express that 36 is equal to 18 into 2, or 2 into 18, or maybe 36 can be expressed as 12 cross 3, or 3 cross 12, or we can express as 9 cross 4 or 4 cross 9 or 6 cos 6. So we are getting like this value if we expect the 36. Okay, so we can get the 36 like 36 into 1. Now if we check, if we express that x, we know x square minus y square is equal to x plus y dot x minus y. For every natural number, it should follow x plus y greater than x minus y. For any natural numbers of x and y, that should be maintained, that x plus y should be always greater than x minus y. So if we consider this scenario that x plus y should be greater than x minus y, then that will be okay, but this value will be cancelled out. Here x plus y is greater than this x minus y, so this is maintained, but that will be cross, that will not follow. Same here, that will be maintained, but this will not follow, because here x plus y is not greater than x minus y. Similarly it will be followed, but that will be not followed. And also here x plus y not equals to x plus y, x minus y, so that will be also cancelled. So we got 4 cases. Case 1, where x plus y dot x minus y equals to 36 into 1. Similarly for case 2, x plus y into x minus y, we got 18 cross 2. For case 3, you can write x plus y into x minus y equals to 12 cross 3, that is 12 into 3. And for case 4, x plus y into x minus y, we have to take this one, 9 into 4. Now we are going to take the case 1. Case 1, where x plus y into x minus y is equal to 36 into 1. Now we compare x plus y as 36 and x minus y as 1, then it should be x plus y is equal to 36 and x minus y is equal to 1. Now if we add this will cancel out. We get 2x is equal to 37, then x is equal to 37 by 2. So this is a fractional number, not a real number. So not real number, as not real number, so it is rejected. Same for case 2. Here we got x plus y equals x plus y into x minus y as 18 cos 2. So we can write x plus y is equal to 18 and x minus y is equal to 2. So if we add, this will cancel out. We get 2x is equal to 20. So therefore x is equal to 20 by 2. If we cancel out, that one, then x is equal to 10. Now we got x plus y is equal to 18. If we put the value of x here, so 10 plus y is equal to 18. So if we move this to the right hand side, then it should be 18 minus 10, so y should be 8. So we get those two values of x and y. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8. Now we move to the case 3, where x plus y into x minus y equals to 12 cross 3. Now if we compare both sides, then x plus y should be 12 and x minus y should be 3. If we add this will cancel out. We get 2x is equal to 15. Therefore x is equal to 15 by 2. Now this is a fractional number. This is not a real number. So it will be also rejected. Now for case 4, where we got x plus y equal into x minus y equals to 9 into 4. Now if we compare this x plus y to 9 and x minus y to 4, then we get x plus y is equal to 9 and x minus y is equal to 4. So if we add this to 1, then we get 2x is equal to 13. Therefore x is equal to 13 by 2. So again, this is not a real number. Rejected. So we get only the value of x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8. So this is two real number we get as a solution of x and y. Now check, verifying. We got the equation x square minus y square is equal to 36. So we are going to prove this. So we are putting the value of x and y, that x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 8. 10 square means 100 and 8 square means 64. We get 36. So it's verified. So we find out the value of x and y. So I hope you understand the explanation as well as the solution. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to simplify one Harvard entrance exams questions. We need to solve without using calculator, the value of 2 to the power 18 minus 1. So let's start. So we can find this solution in several ways. I am showing one of these. So we can express that 18 as 9.2. So we can write this 2 to the power 9.2 minus 1. Here we can express 18 as 9.2. Now we can write 2 to the power 9 square minus 1 square. As we know, a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. Now we know the formula a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So we are going to express this one same as a square minus b square, like 2 to the power 9 plus 1 into 2 to the power 9 minus 1. Now we can express that 2 to the power 9 is equal to 2 to the power 3 dot 3. We can express that 2 to the power cube as we know a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n, as we said the same earlier. So we know 2 to the power cube means 2 into 2 into 2 to the power cube. So if we multiply these values of 2's, we get 8 and 8 to the power cube. 8 to the power cube means 8 into 8 into 8. If we multiply these two, then we will get 8 into 8, that means 64.8, and then we get 512. So 8 cube is equal to 512. Now we know that it is also equals to 2 to the power 9. So here we are going to putting this value that 2 to the power 9 is equal to 512 plus 1, and this 2 to the power 9 will be 512 minus 1. If we add, we get 513 dot 511. Now we can express as like this: 500 plus 13 into 500 minus 11. So now we are going to simply multiply this, like this will multiply like this: 500 into 500 plus now this 13 dot 500, sorry, this should be plus sign. Now this should be 11 dot 100, 500 dot 11 plus 13 into 11. So now if we multiply this one, 5 cross 5, that means 25, and beside this 2 0 and this 2 0. Okay, so this will be 25000. If we multiply 500 into 500. Now if we take common 500, we will get first 13, now plus here 11, and this multiplication will be get 143. Now we are writing the same: 250000 plus 500. If we add this, we will get 24, and this 143 should be here. Now we are writing the same: 250000 plus, if we multiply these two, that means this we get 120, and this 20 will be beside here, so we get 12000. Now 143. Now we are going to add this to one. We get this 0, 0, this 0 and this 0, the 0, this one and this one, 0, 2 and 0, 2, 1 and 5, 6, and these 2 only, plus 1, 4, 3. So now if we add this to 1, we get 2, 6, 2, 143. So we can write 2 to the power 18 minus 1 is equal to 262,143. So we have simplified the value of 2 to the power 18 minus 1 is equal to 262,143 without using any calculator. So I think you have understood the explanation as well as the solution. Thank you for your time. See you in the next video. Have a great day and take care. Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Today we are going to simplify one expression 2 to the power minus 1, that is 2 to the power minus 1, 2 to the power minus 1 to the power 12. So we can solve this value of 2 to the power minus 1 to the power 12 in a different way, but we are taking one of them. So let's start. For this, let x is equal to root 2 minus 1. So we are going to move this one to the left hand side. Then we get x plus 1 is equal to root 2. Now we are going to square both sides. X plus 1 square is equal to root 2 square. So we get x square plus 2x1 plus 1 square, and here this root, square root and square will be cancelled out. We get only 2. If we move this one to the right hand side, we get x square plus 2x is equal to 2 minus 1. Then we can write x square plus 2x is equal to 1. Now if we move this 2x to the right hand side, we get x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we got the value of x square here like a x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we put as an equation 1. Now from equation 1 we get x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. And we can write that 12 equals to 3 dot 2 dot, that is in multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. We can express that 12 as, so we can write 2 to the power square root 2 minus 1 2 to the power 12 is equal to x to the power 12. Now we are breaking that 2 to the 12 x to the power 3 dot 2 dot 2. So now we can write that 3 2 plus 1, and now for considering we taking that 2 and 2 is equal to 4. In future we will break again 2 dot 2. So now we can write that x square into x to the power 4, and this x square we can write here that 1 minus 2x. I have just replaced that 1 minus 2x into x, and 4 can be expressed as 2 dot 2. So we can write that x minus 2 x square to the power square into 2. Now if we take this, we get x square minus 2, now we know the value of x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. We are going to replace here that value of x square, that is 1 minus 2x. 2 dot 2. Now we get the value x minus 2 plus 4x to the power 2 dot 2. So here we get 5x minus 2 to the power 2 dot 2. So now we can write this 5x minus 2 square. We know a to the power mn is equal to a to the power m to the power n. We have implied the same here. So if we break this, we get 5x square minus 2 5x into 2 plus 2 square to the power square. So we can write like here 25 square minus 20x plus 4. Now we know that 25x x square means 1 minus 2x. As we know here x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we are putting the same value again here. So now we got 20x plus 4. We have missed that square. Now that will be 25 minus 50x minus 20x plus 4. Now we get, if we simplify, 29 minus 70x square. Now if we put this as 29 square minus 2 into 29 into 70x plus 70x square. Now